Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Bimini Blend, where health and wellness is blended. Today we're going to be exploring the beautiful and picturesque city of Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, one of the most beautiful cities in the Great Pacific Northwest. Victoria, British Columbia is a very popular stop on most cruises in the Seattle area and is located at the southeast end of the larger Vancouver Island. Victoria is filled with natural beauty, pristine parks, and amazing flora and fauna that's just spectacular. Just a half a mile southeast from the cruise ship dock, you'll find the Victoria Seaside Cycling Trail, which follows along the southern and western coast of Victoria, providing some unbelievable views of the Cascade Mountains on a clear day. The trail also passes next to Beacon Hill Park, which has many natural wonders as well. On this adventure, I rented a bicycle from the Peddler Cycling Tour and Rentals, which is located just half a mile north of the cruise port near downtown Victoria, inside of the Huntington Hotel and Suites. To get to downtown Victoria, you can take a double-decker bus which runs all day between the port and downtown. After you rent the bicycle, you can bike along the trail in one big loop along the coastline. Bicycling is definitely one of the best ways to explore a city, and this trail certainly did not disappoint. It was an experience I'll never forget, so come along as we explore this coastal community in pursuit of life's next great adventure.
Near our local ski mountain, which is fed by 3 natural springs. Those 3 springs dried up for the first time in recorded history. And even during the winter, when we went to ski resort, you had to bring your own water. And the restaurant started serving dinner on paper plates because they couldn't run it in the dishwasher. There was a model boats. The real estate market. This little brown house on your left-hand side, built in the 1940s, sold last year for $3.5 million.